to make these cute and adorable Halloween owl cookies. And they're so cute, and if you guys don't know, I'm obsessed with owls, so these were perfect for me. I'll show you a few. Okay, this one kind of turned out bad, but that's what they look like. So, hold on, we're just gonna go put it back. So what you'll need for this is some melting, well, not melting chocolate chips, but these are just regular chocolate chips. And here comes the melting part. You need some melting of these little white pellet looking things. They're also chocolate. You need some Fluff. I love Fluff. Some graham crackers. And some candy corn, which is in the back, and some marshmallows. So first off, you're going to wash your hands, like you always do. Oh, and you're also going to need a tray. I'm just going to make 5, so I just took the smallest tray that I could find, which isn't that small. So anyways, first what you want to do is, let me turn my computer this way. So first grab your Fluff, your graham crackers, your marshmallows, and candy corn, and just grab everything because I basically said it. What you're going to do next is you're going to take your graham crackers and you want one little square like that. So if it comes in the rectangle, just snap it in half. And that one, you're just going to take a knife and you're just going to spread the Fluff on. Yummy. Okay, it should look something like that. Then you're going to take your other half of your graham cracker, like that, and you're going to open up your marshmallows. And you don't want the jumbo marshmallows, you want the regular size. And you're going to take some kitchen scissors that of course are clean, and you want to cut them in half but not all the way, so that there's still a little bit right there. And you want to put that right on the graham cracker that doesn't have the Fluff. Like that. And then you want to take your white melting candies and you want to put them right on top of the marshmallows, right there. So it should look like that. I don't know if you guys can see, it might be too bright, but there are 2 little white melting things on there. And you will need a microwave to do this, so I'm just going to get a plate and I'll be right back. So this is the microwave safe plate that I'm using, and I'm just going to put that little spot on there, and I'm going to put it in the microwave for at least, I think, 6 seconds, something like that. So after they're in the microwave, I'm going to try to do this without falling. It should be a little poofy, and you guys can kind of see. And so then you want to just slightly go down on it, push down, and then you want to take your candy corn. I love candy corn. I'm going to eat one. So you want to take your little candy corn, and you see where the marshmallow meets the graham cracker. You want to put it in there so it looks like that. And that's going to be the beak. Honestly, I don't even know what I'm talking about. It might be beak, nose, something like that. I think it's beak. And then you want to take your little regular chocolate chips and you want to stick them right on the white wafer looking thing. So I like to angle them so that it's right on where it melts. So it looks a little cross-eyed. And woo! That fell off. And that's just the top part. Then you want to put it where you spread your fluff or peanut butter or Nutella on to the graham cracker before. And you want to just put it on there so it makes a little sandwich. And that's your finished owl cookie. And they really are delicious. So you guys are welcome, and I love these, and then you can just eat them. Bye!